Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of April 2026. Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's the first trade taken in the room today. We see that the buyers made a very, well, massive move up, have turned around and failed miserably, and we get our first strong candle going in the opposite direction. So as most of you know, if you've seen any of our videos, we look for this little triangle. In this case, it's pointing down, saying this is a very strong candle. We should go ahead and trade this short. This little gap over the brick wall is excellent. We just need to retrace up. We'll put our order on the body of this candle, and we're going to take this short. Now, I expect the next candle, looking up here at the PVI, to be between 150 and 190 ticks in length. So we'll use our large ATM where we go for 20 ticks on the first target, and then 50s and 100s after that. So this is how it all went down in the room today. So here we go. It's got to push up first. There we go. First thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, which is way up here, but we're not going to hold that risk for very long. As you will see, as soon as we come down and hit our first target, we're going to de-risk the trade completely. So we got a little bit of a sweat here to start, but not that big a deal. We are picked up in the trade, so we can go ahead and speed this thing up. So just watch what happens when your first target is hit. This stop's going to come from all the way up there, all the way down to here. And then we'll get a new order going in case it takes us out at break even. So let's just watch and see what happens. It's very active, so this is typical for this type of environment. Just get a decent pullback. We're going to fail 4 times at this particular brick wall and then come back and pay our first target. Boom, there it is. Now, if it comes out and takes us out here, our stop is at minus 18. We've just gotten 2 times 20. So we'll pay all of our fees and break even if it comes back out and takes us out off that thing. But now we're in positive territory. We can't lose any money on this particular trade. And we're trying to get to our 100 tick targets out. That trade took 5 minutes and 30 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 5.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com, the only place you're going to find the strong candle indicator. And when used properly, it is amazing. So we'll look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you. We'll see you then.